your hidden glory in creation, now revealed here on Christ. What a beautiful name it is! What a beautiful name it is! The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is, and nothing compares.